What is up, guys? Everybody, it is me. As you know, it is me. It is me. I don't know why I'm saying that. No. That was my only chance to get those freaking. Oh, I'm sorry. That was my only chance. Forget about this. I am God. Whee! Hi, pup. Oh, come on. Garnet! Dang, that actually worked. That would fail. No. No, don't you fail on me. Don't you fail on me. Staying alive. Ah, ah. Experiment number 55. Explosion. Subject number 55. Carter, if you ask Dad if we can play the game, like call him, we'll probably be able to play the game. Cause don't you want to find the Brotherhood of Steel? Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Oh, I forgot I was recording. I gotta delete that part out. I never said for you to say anything. Did I, slave? Sloom. Fuck harder, really. Okay, guys. This is gonna be called the rotation video. Where I rotate from game to game. Yep, that's just what I do. Or to get my charger. Don't. No, or say hi to the fans out there.
Hi.
Okay, no. Guys, that was my brother. I have to force him to watch, or else he starts whining. Dang, this music is. Aliens appear to have retreated to a cave in the distance, and unofficial glow emanates from its core. That sounds suspicious. Whoa, wait a minute. Okay, I'm not by myself. Weapon!
Buildings?
What? What the hell, Beijings?
It looks like some sort of underground civilization.
Do you think it's aliens?
Shh. Keep it down. We don't want to be spotted.
Yeah. Wait, so shut the fuck up, people. I mean, I said fun, sorry. Dun. Woohoo! Superman!
Whoops.
Good job, you big moron. Ah! What the fuck? One video. I'm on. Woo! What the? I told you not to come back. Double kill! Oh no! Woo! No. Okay, I retreat. No, it's him. Oh. Run! That's the example. Guys. Sit down and shut the fuck up. Have some nachos. We can talk this over a nice dinner. Or me kicking your mom in the butt. Ah! Okay, guys. How are we gonna... Hold on. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. We'll both stop it here in this. See you all later in the next video. Bye-bye.